Selected value retrieves the value of a column if it has only one value visible in the current filter context. If there are multiple values visible or if there are no values visible, then using selected value, you can provide a default value to be returned as the result. Let's see an example of using selected value. In this code, I'm using a summarize column to group by brand and by category. I also add a total category column that provides information whether the row is currently a subtotal for the category or not. And then I have three calculations that I perform. The selected value of the brand, the selected value of the category, and the selected value of the product name. The filter context contains the brand and the category, but not the product name. And at the grant and the subtotal columns, we will not have a filter context on the category. Let's look at the result. Current brand always have a value which is the current brand in the filter context. So the filter context is filtering only Litware, therefore Litware has only one value, and current brand returns always the current brand without ever returning unknown brand. For the category, the scenario is slightly different. For the category, when the category is in the filter context, you see that current category returns the current category. But when there are no categories in the filter context, the behavior depends on how many categories are visible. In the case of Litware, because Litware has both the TV and video and home appliances, the result is the default, because now there are two different categories visible. Whereas for ADatum, where the only category visible is cameras and camcorders, the result is cameras and camcorders. As you see, selected value does not check the filter context, but it checks how many values are visible in the current filter context. And if there is one, it returns that value. Regarding the product, well, the product is never in the filter context, so it always shows many values. Therefore, the result is always unknown product, meaning that there are too many values visible. Selected value is equivalent to this code. So using selected value product brand unknown is the same as writing if has one value product brand values of product brand. If you run the query, you see that the result of current brand and current brand 2 is absolutely identical. So using this condition, this syntax is only longer and can be shortened by using selected value.